So this is question number 13 on page 533 from Friday's homework. So it's asking, consider the equation ax squared plus by squared plus c equals 0. And then what conditions must be satisfied for a, b, and c for this equation to represent each conic section. And the part A asks for a circle centered at 0, 0. And for a circle, A must equal B, and both of them have to be greater than 0, so and then if you move C to the other side, it turns into so that means for C to be positive, for the whole thing to be positive, C has to be less than 0. And then that's the restriction. Well, not restriction. Or if you put it another way, where C stays and it turns into a negative A plus by squared minus by squared, then C has to be greater than 0, and A and B must be less than 0, and then they still have to equal. For part B, it asks for a rectangular hyperbola with center 0, 0 and vertices on the x-axis. So it would look something like this. And then that would mean that the C value, if you put it in this form, the C value on this side has to be positive, so C must be negative. So, and then B has to be positive because it has to be turned into ax squared minus by squared. So A must equal negative B, and then C for this has to be negative. And then, well, basically C and B must have the same sign. And then for the next one, it's asking for a rectangular hyperbola with center 0, 0 on the y-axis. So it would look something like this. So that would mean that C is negative. So C, because the equation is, so C has to be greater than 0, and it has to have the same sign as A, so and then b has to remain negative. And this is because if you do this, no matter where you move it, C will be negative, B will be negative, and A will be positive.